Hi, can you hear me, sir? Hi, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, perfect, perfect. Thank you very much to join with us. Actually, Shohel Mia reach out to you, okay?
Yeah, yeah,
Uh,
okay.
okay, thank you. And I'm Abdul Soburmir. We are the team member working together and digital marketing, all type of services. Okay.
Okay.
Where your YouTube channel we are already analyzed, and your YouTube channel is very good. Your thumbnail quality is good and video quality also good. You working for health related, right?
Yes, a faceless health related needs, yes.
Yeah, very good, very good. You can progress and very good, very well, and very soon also we have to do it professionally, and your channel will be progress in 2 or 3 months. Maybe come in more viewers and more subscriber. Your subscriber may be a little bit 586 subscriber. You uploaded video 138, right? Am I right?
Sorry, yes, I have 100 and something videos, yes. And 580 something subscribers, yes.
So I think noise will be coming outside. Okay, now perfect. Okay, I can start our process. Please give me permission.
Now, let's start from, so what are you guys trying to achieve with the SEO
Okay, okay. I will be
optimization?
explain.
Yes.
I will be explain now details. Okay. Our working process, how to apply our strategy. Strategy first, three type of our apply. We are apply three type of method. First method is SEO, search engine optimize. Without optimize, you can't grow any type of content, any type of video, right? So
Yeah, yeah,
we
right.
first your YouTube channel analyze where the problem, where the issue. We find out. We already find out your issue. First issue is not optimize your channel. Without optimize, that's why your channel not grow. You already uploaded 138 video, but not growing nowadays also. You work hard, your thumbnail making good, but your description section, text section, all about section also you have to optimize first. This is the professionally optimize. So we can do professionally optimize your all whole channel first, and must be people when your niche related keyword searching, and your YouTube channel will be show top level search result, top level. That's why people will click your video. They will be interested. When they interested, must they also click subscriber button, so that people can easily engage to you. That is the organic process, our first process. And second process is video promotion. That means video marketing. Your area base or whole world.
Uh,
Our
uh, that is where I have issues with. I don't want the channel to be promoted. I want. That is why I don't. I was still reluctant in this SEO or growing the channel fast. I don't want outside promotion. I want organic promotion from the YouTube platform itself.
yeah, I know. Just I explain, please, please.
Because if the channel is, because I understand SEO, I understand optimization. If the channel is promoted outside of YouTube, I might have uh, subscribers who may not be interested in my niche.
No, no,
Whereby when I post a video, it will not also have views. Also, so I prefer organic subscribers
okay,
from
okay,
the
okay.
platform of
Okay,
YouTube
our
itself. Yeah.
plan. Sir, please give me time, only 1 minute, okay? I can explain our process first, please.
Okay.
You have to listen carefully, please. So our video promotion means that is the organic promotion. That is not paid promotion. Paid promotion, we always avoid. This is the right way, not right way. Organic process is right way. So that promotions means marketing. Your niche related, very big group in the whole world. That group, we have to put your video, and must be there have more engaged people, so that people can engage with your video and with your channel. That is our second process. But we have to apply that type of process. I think 3 week or 4 week you can show result. But when have to start, before result and after result, you can see all everything. So you can prove, you can analyze that guys what they're doing, what they did. Okay.
Okay.
This is our process, but you must be do organic process. Organic process is very good, but this that take time. Only 4 weeks or 5 weeks take time. So you can grow your YouTube channel. Then we have to complete our process. Because of Sohel Mia, we are the very expert in that type of sector. Like this channel, we have to done many times, many types of channel already we have to done. So you can trust me, you can believe me. We have to do process like this apply and must be grow YouTube channel 2 or 3 month. You can result show maybe 100, 100, 1,000 plus subscriber and video viewers will become day by day. Okay. But exactly number I can't tell that exactly
Okay.
number.
Go on, go on, go on.
Okay. Okay, thank you. SEO process is organic process. So you call me, okay, 1 month after later, how much people engage with me? That is exactly number is not never tell to you because of that is low or high. Maybe me expect 1,000, 2,000 people can engage with you per month. This is the easy way. But never use Google payment. Never use Google Pay. This is the only payment method. Payment method when we are apply payment method. That is not come organic way. We are always about like this. Thank you.
Okay.
If you have any question, tell me please.
Yeah. The question is, you are saying that after engaging you, because right now I'm already in 580 something, 60 something or 80 something subscribers.
Yeah, coming.
So,
no problem.
So how long is it going to? Because my aim is for the channel to be monetized.
Yeah,
So if I engage you on the SEO, how long will it take me from now for the channel to be monetized? That is the target.
Okay, no problem. You can monetize also, but this
Because,
may be.
sorry, right now I have 1,000, up to 2,000, 1,800 watch hours already.
Okay, no
Almost half
problem.
of the hour.
Your subscriber now only 586, but you have to take time, 3 months or 4 months. You can apply for monetize because of this is the take time, not exactly today or tomorrow. This is not good way.
I can't hear you. Your internet is freezing.
So you can trust me, but you will be start with us, and then we have to apply all type of services. You can first do it for SEO, and then next time when I have already you collect your criteria for monetize, and then that time we can apply, and you have accepted that time can monetize. You can generate also dollar also you can generate that time. Okay, no problem.
No, I'm just saying I can handle monetization on my own. I know how to do monetization. What I'm saying is, if I engage on the SEO, how long will it take from now till so month for the channel to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, so that on my own I can monetize the channel without contacting you guys? That's what I'm saying.
Okay, no problem.
Can you hear me?
Okay, no problem. You can we can apply monetize for 3 or 4 months. Take time.
Okay, 3 or 4 months.
Yeah. 3 or 4 months because this is the organic process. We apply always organic process.
Okay, so what is your rate? How much are you guys charging to know if I will be able to?
If you want monetize or SEO project, which one you want?
No, just SEO monetization, SEO optimization only, not monetization.
Okay, SEO optimization is not a very big budget. Only 2 packages available. One package is weekly basis, and another package is monthly basis. Weekly package is our 10 video, SEO optimize and promotion also included, and all everything channels we are the find out issue and completed issue, and then our charge is $120 US dollar, $120 for 10 video, SEO and optimize, and video
SEO
promotion, and video promotion also. And another, Yeah. Another budget is monthly basis. Monthly basis is 30 video per month, 30 video, and 30 video SEO optimize, and video promotion like the video marketing, and then all whole channel also optimize. Whole channel also we can optimize. That is the good for you. And which one
That
is,
is
which package you like, please guys? You tell me which package is good for you. I think short package is good for you because of if test this, you have to apply, then we have to work properly, and then you can trust, okay, these guys is work for good, and then you can contact long time. That is good strategy for you.
okay. Okay. So for now, I don't have. I have not made money from the channel, and I'm doing something. I'm online social media content creator and also
Okay,
digital
okay.
marketer. So I have
Yeah.
not made money from the channel.
Okay.
That is why I don't want to put money on it for now. But when after I have enough money, I will contact you. You say it's $100 for 30 videos per month, right?
$100, not 30 video, 300,
For the optimization
300,
and promotion.
no, $320 per month, or weekly basis, only week, 1 week, 10 video, $120, and monthly $320 month per month.
Okay, $120 per month.
Yeah, $320 per month, and 1 week, 10 video, only $120. Okay, guys.
Okay.
So when you have
So I
time,
will get,
when you have some money, and then contact with me, no problem. We have to apply for monetize and for SEO, all type of services we can do properly. Okay.
okay, no problem, no problem.
Where are you
So
from?
thank you for your.
Where are you from, sir? Where are you from?
Right now I'm in Abuja, Nigeria, the capital of Nigeria, Abuja.
Okay, we are from Bangladesh. Thank you very much to join with
Bangladesh
us.
in India.
Okay. Okay, bye. So when are you thinking now? Good, and then contact Shwell me. Okay. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
And thank you. Thank you. And I appreciate. Thank you. I will get back. All right.